Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thanks for rolling with the family. We're back with another one. We got some good old fish to fry up today. Just some regular old whiting, a little bit of fish fry, and one egg and a little bit of milk. Mix that together. Go ahead and pop them in the hot grease till they golden brown. You see we finished them off right here with a little bit of homemade remoulade. And then there you go. Nice quick snack for the family. You go ahead and whip these up real quick. And you can use other fish like cod and perch and red snapper as well. See Emmy, she taking a bite right there? They're delicious. We'll see y'all on another one. Y'all take care, and thanks for rolling with the fam.